My name's Stewart Weatherstone. You're on Rotopai Farms. We are about 20 kilometres south of Featherston, South Wairarapa, and we're a dairy farm. The family's been here since 1931, so I'm fourth generation dairy farmer. And we started with 40 hectares and now we're farming about 1,650 hectares. We have about 1,000 hectares in one block here. We milk off 760 to 800 hectares, about 800 hectares total. Probably peak milk about 2,900 cows, predominantly 80% Jersey cows. I was travelling around and I'd seen a few ramps at a few farms, so we started looking around online, trying to find out the best ramps. We found 2 Pari runs and they are the best ones we've found, and we're very happy with them. It's all set in place, it allows us to cart the full unit load without using the truck ramp. The cows seem to flow on heaps better. We used to walk basically 2,500 cows up the road, 26k, in sort of groups of 500, and it could take us anywhere up to sort of over 10 days, I suppose, time we got it right, and using 4 or 5 men at a time. Now we truck everything up there. We do 1 or 2 trucks, sort of 200, 250 a day, sort of at our own time, really involving 2 guys, so it's freed up another 3 or 4 people to do other stuff. And then on the way home, back to calving, pre-calving, we can cart 50 at a time now instead of 30 to 32. We're close to halving our costs really. We load the bottom deck first around the side of the steps, so there's a loading race around that pushes out around the side, then straight into underneath. We'd always load them first, right through, and then all you do is just switch one gate over and then you're straight onto the top deck. Very simple changeover, no downtime really. So the step profile, which we kind of didn't sort of get to start with, but it's way better than a slopey ramp. The cows, once they get on it, they start moving, they don't like to stop, and we've never had a slip cow since we've been doing it. It's a very well designed piece of gear, and we're extremely happy with them.